interact, we touch, and our immune system responds. All of the bacteria and foreign intruders that enter our body during these activities are dealt with by the immune system. Your immune system begins with the skin. The epidermis is the first wall of defense against antigens in the environment. Antigens can be virus, harmful bacteria, fungi, or parasites. Really anything that can harm your body. It is the biggest organ of your body and keeps our precious, fragile insides protected. The skin is your physical and external immune system organ. Along with your skin, you have mucous membranes that protect you. In your nose, mouth, digestive, and respiratory systems, you have a mucous membrane that clings to antigens and keeps them from getting farther into your system. Our skin and mucus do a lot of work, but bacteria still manage to get in our bodies.
Once in your body, your immune system begins a procedural protocol to protect you. It involves all organs necessary to fight off and destroy intruders.
The organs and systems in your immune system consist of your tonsils, bone marrow, thymus, and the lymphatic system, white blood cells, and the spleen. Each of these provide a unique function. Your tonsils are a part of your lymphatic system and are located in your throat. They work to fight infections. A fun fact, if you get a sore throat, it means your tonsils are doing their job in fighting infections. Your bone marrow produces T cells while your thymus matures and develops them. T cells are crucial to your immune response. They defend and fight against antigens. Your lymphatic system is responsible for ridding body of toxins, waste, and unwanted material. It consists of lymph nodes and lymph fluid that carries the white blood cells. White blood cells account for about 1% of your blood, but do a lot for your body. There are many types of white blood cells, including the ones that recognize intruders, kill harmful bacteria, and create antibodies. Lastly, the spleen. The spleen has many functions in your body, but in the immune system it acts as a filter. The spleen filters out unwanted substances while recycling old red blood cells and storing platelets as well as white blood cells. Your immune system protects you from malignant molecules that would otherwise kill you and help the multiple body functions. The immune system cells are quite unique. The cells in our bodies have been designed to attack and defend our body. These cells are our armory, warning signal, and defense. Lymphocytes are the guys that attack bacteria, virus, and other strange things that can get to your body. Neutrophils are ground troops for the body. They are the most numerous immune system cells besides skin cells, and they target bacteria and fungi. Basophils are the air raid signs and act as an early warning and target invaders with chemicals so that infantry and artillery can target and destroy the invaders. Eosinophils attack parasites, cancer cells, and help control allergic reactions. Skin cells have a pretty short lifespan, but they are fundamental to your protection. What happens when cells go wrong is often they go cancerous, because something in their cell cycle has gone wrong. The cell has two basic gene names for growth and stop genes. You have proto-oncogene genes and tumor suppressor genes. The proto-oncogene genes are what tells the cell to grow and do cell division, while the tumor suppressor genes stop the cell from doing cell cycle. When a cell has finished its life, it would normally go through apoptosis, which is programmed cell death. But if a cell has bad DNA, the gene for stop may allow the cell to become cancerous. If this cancerous cell is found before the problem, the eosinophils can take care of it. But if not, medical help is required, and your immune system will have more problems because you may develop leukemia, which is cancer of the blood.
There are many reasons that an immune system can be compromised, diseases being one of them. Guillain-Barré, HIV, and AIDS are some examples.
Guillain-Barré is a disease where the immune system begins to attack the nervous system, the result of this being at first a tingling sensation in the extremities. In the most severe of cases, it can result in death. The trigger for the disease is known to be the result of some powerful disease in the body that does not react to properly. However, the cause for this reaction is unknown. Treatments for this disease can be very lengthy and are not permanent. How it is taken care of is by treating the blood of the patient by removing as many of the dangerous white blood cells from the blood as possible to stop the body from the continuing attack of itself. And because of the nerve and cell damage, physical therapy is required to help the body recover. HIV, or the human immunodeficiency virus, is a disease that uses T cells as hosts to reproduce. And because T cells are supposed to fight disease and infection, it drastically weakens the body's immune system. Because T cells are found in the bloodstream, that is how HIV is transmitted. Some examples are through breast milk, blood-to-blood contact, or sharing of medical equipment like needles. Currently, there is no cure for HIV, but medication and aid in slowing the process of it in the body. there can also be steps taken to prevent the disease from being obtained in the first place. AIDS, also known as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is a disease that is a result of a person having HIV. Because of the lowered immune system from HIV, it makes the body extremely susceptible to getting diseases that the body would not normally be affected by. Because AIDS is a result of HIV, the same processes apply to both getting it and the treatment period.
What happens when you have a poor diet versus a healthy diet? There is not one food that can upgrade your immune system. Variety is the key. Eat fruits and vegetables and vitamins and minerals. It can help make your immune system stronger.
On the other hand, not eating these foods will have consequences. When eating or drinking too much sugar, your body tries to correct it by attacking the bacteria in your body. This can be bad and make it so you have a weaker immune system. In severe cases, this may lead to death. The body is a machine and needs to be fueled with all the necessary nutrition. All the different vitamins found in food support the immune system's function. Fruit, vegetables, and whole grains are vital for a healthy immune system. Your lifestyle choices can affect how your immune system protects you. Now, what about exercise? How can physical exercise affect your immune system? It is very important to exercise for your health and so your immune system becomes healthier. Walking, jogging, or running are the best exercise programs to maintain healthy immune system. Exercise actually flushes bacteria out of the lungs and airways, therefore preventing infection. Exercise changes the antibodies and white blood cells in the body, having positive effects on the immune system. Does a lack of sleep play a role in our overall health? Less sleep will make your immune system weaker. Over 15 million American adults suffer from insufficient sleep. When you're sleeping, your immune system is ready for an attack. When you get sick, sleep is part of the treatment plan for recovery. Sleep helps your immune system better attack what is harming you. During sleep, certain hormones are released. Our body's energy renews itself. All these factors show that our bodies are machines and each component plays an important role in maintaining the health of all our systems, including the immune system. Our everyday choices play a huge role in our overall health in our bodies. Whether it be what we choose to eat, the kinds of exercise activities we participate in, or the amount of sleep we allow our bodies to have each night.